single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my.
Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone where you are watching from. My name is UJVBeauty. If this is your first time of seeing me or tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get my videos when I upload a new video. And for those of you, my UJV lovers, thank you for keeping up with me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you very much. So today's video is a requested video. A friend of mine who saw my video where I did a perfect or the best foundation and concealer and makeup requested for this video, because I was talking about how women with kids, or in the morning maybe you want to go to work and you are running late and you need a makeup that will take you like 2-3 to 5 minutes, that you don't really need to spend time to do your makeup, like this heavy makeup, because we have different types of makeup for occasion. Like we have makeup that you can do to attend ceremonies like wedding, parties. We have office makeup, we have the everyday makeup. All these makeups they take time, but the thing is that if we are going on a normal everyday makeup, maybe like women that have kids, they don't really have that time to start doing all this makeup. So I was like, I will do like this 2 minutes to 5 minutes makeup, whereby I will do a simple makeup where people can see how to do your makeup. The things I will be needing to do this 2 to 3 minutes makeup is my makeup brush, my makeup accessories. I think everyone have a makeup accessories, and I will be needing this eyebrow brush, very important to brush my eyebrows. Then I will go ahead to apply the lid. After the lid, I will use the concealer. Then after the concealer, I have the foundation and the loose powder, whereby after this I'll just apply my lip gloss. Remember, this is a 2 minutes makeup. It's a makeup that you can do very fast if you have if you are in a rush, or you have school runs as a mom, you want to drop your kids off at the school, and you don't really need this heavy makeup like normal makeup here. You take like 20-30 minutes to apply. So that is it. Just keep up with me as I do this 2 minutes makeup. And remember, we said 2 minutes to, let me say, 5 minutes, and I'll be using timers, so I will know that this makeup is really 2 to 5 minutes. So just keep up with me. So I've set my timer on 5 minutes, because I said the makeup will take like 2 minutes to like 5 minutes. It is better I put it in 5 minutes and see how fast I can go with this makeup. I'll just go ahead and start my time and start with the makeup. my beautiful people, this is the outcome of my 2 to 5 minutes makeup. But the fact is that this makeup was more than 2 minutes. It was more than even 5 minutes. Don't let nobody deceive you that you go and do normal makeup or 5 minutes makeup. It is always more than that. I tried to program it for 5 minutes. I was thinking maybe I will finish before 5 minutes, but it didn't happen like that. I think it took me almost 6 minutes for me to be able to finish this makeup, and I was in a hurry. I just have to apply my foundation, my lid, my mascara. I was so in a hurry. If you are looking forward to have a 2 minutes makeup, maybe you just apply your foundation directly, use a lip gloss, and better still, don't apply any makeup. You can just use a lip gloss and go to where you are going, or go drop your kids off at school. If you come back, you can do your makeup in quietness or in peace, to achieve a better look. So this is the outcome. I hope it was okay. This is not a normal standard makeup, but for just normal day and 5 to 10 minutes routine, it is okay. I hope you enjoyed this section. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. We keep the UJVBeauty family growing, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, which is the bell up, so you'll be one of the first person that get notified when I upload my new videos. Thank you once more for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.